Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Brave Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So in this video I am going to teach you how to create your own web server using Node.js. So let's get started. In order to create your own web server, you need to import HTTP module present in Node.js. HTTP module is a built-in module in Node.js. So let's import HTTP module. Let's create a file called myserver.js and then const http equals to require http. And the second step in order to create your own web server is you need to call a function called create server, and store it inside a constant or a variable. So const server equals to create server, and this takes a callback function which has access of request and response respectively. So and the next step is you need to type response.end, and you need to call a function called response.end because this tells your browser that you have done all this stuff and you have completed your response. And the last step is you need to create an instance. You need to type server.listen and then the port number where you want to listen your server. So I recommend you to use 3000. You can use whichever you want. Please make sure that, and if your custom port number gives you any error, please make sure, please go to performance, open task manager, go to performance and then go to open resource monitor and then go to network TCP connections, and then please check the PID of your TCP connection. If it matches to any other image, then please replace your port number. So I will recommend you to use port 3000, and the next parameter is the host name. So you need to specify the host name, which is 127.0.0.1, which is your localhost. And the next parameter is a callback function which runs after your server has been created. So you can just use console.log server is listening on http //localhost 3000. So you have created your server. Let's run the server with node myserver.js. As you can see here, it is giving me a console.log that the server is running on port 3000. Sorry, I have made a mistake. It's port 3000. Let's rerun the code. And in order to open this port number, please keep pressing control and then click on localhost. It will open your browser. As you can see here, it's returning me hello because I have written here hello in my end function. And in order to specify static HTML files, you need to import fs module. So const fs equals to require fs, and then you need to call response, which is res.write, and then fs.readFileSync, which is a function present in fs module. So this takes the file name. So the path of my file is my HTML file is present in my same directory where my myserver.js is present. So it's index.html, and index.html has an h1 present in it. So and one more thing you can do is response dot status is a property present in response. Here you can set your status code whichever you want. If you want to set, if you set 200, means it is satisfied, and if you set 404, this means file or page not found. So I will set into 200. One more thing you can do is response.setHeader, and this takes the first parameter, that type. So I will set my header as content type. I want to set my content type, so content type, and the second is the value, which is text/html. So this will set my header. So let's save and let's rerun the code, and let's refresh our browser. As you can see here, it's pure HTML here. Let me show you the source code. As you can see, it's a pure HTML, and if you want to check the status code and the headers, you need to go to inspect panel and then go to network and then refresh your page. As you can see here, localhost status 200 and the fileicon.io status. And if you will check the localhost and then go to response header, and then let me maximize this, yeah. And then if you will check the content type, it is showing me text/html because I have written here text/html. This means it's an HTML content. And if you want to use routes, you can just use if request.url equals to slash, which means my home page, then return, and the is equals to, please make sure you write here equals to. And the second step is, if you want to create one more route, which is of about, so let me create request.url equals to slash about, and then let me copy and paste the code. Copy, paste, yes. And I have one more HTML file, which is about.html, which has simply h1 containing about, and you can create many routes like this. Let's save and let's run the code. And if you will refresh and go to localhost /3000/about, you will get your about page present there. So hope you understand how to create routes in your server. And in order to create 404 error page, you can simply use else. So else in your if block of the route. In order to create 404 error page, you can simply use else block in your if else statement of the route. So else request.set status code 404, and the content type is text, content type HTML, and this will write something called 404 page not found. So this will create your 404 page not found error page. So let's check whether it's working or not. And let's go to any URL which is not present. So as you can see here, it's returning me 404 page not found, and this hello is coming from my response.end1. So let me remove this and let's refresh and let me rerun the code. As you can see here, it's your 404 page not found error page, and it has the net. Let's go to the network, and as you can see here, it's telling me 404 page not found. Yeah, status quo. And hope you understand how to create your own website. And I think now you can create your own portfolio website from this. Stay tuned till the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon as well.